No, she didn't. It's still there. Yep, right in that yard. She broke, she tore it up. It's in that yard. Really? That's all right. I'm sorry. You better leave my thing right along. Right along. Yep. Gotta leave my ride right along. Yep. Yeah, do it. Leave it alone. So, man, gotta leave it right alone. Because it makes no sense. I know he's good. I know he's good. I bought him and he said, let's make a couple of dollars. He can be hot, so. I know I ain't bothered. That's why I say, you talk about the other one, I should do the other one up. I ain't bothered nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Why can't you told you don't answer this? She already knows. She already knows. Don't think about all of that. All of that. You just told that because mommy knows something she heard from me. Yep. She don't hear from me.
Ask your doctor if Intibio, including the Intibio pen, is
Because that's what I be talking to all the time. You ain't hear from nobody. She got them TV dinners in there. She got them in there. Yeah, what's the name? Something. She should have bought her something. Like you said, them neck bones, them beans, and at least chicken or two for her to cook. Yeah, she should have bought that. Because mommy, yeah, because you know, mommy like to put stuff in there, even though she will put it in that oven and cook it, right? Remember, Kat? Remember, mommy will put it in that oven and cook it, bake her chicken. What you know? I'm baking my chicken. You know, she'll put it in there when she get hungry. Now she'll eat. She'll nibble off of it. You know how she do. Yeah. Right. A little something. Just clean it, put a little something. Yeah, yes you should. Really? We paid this week. I think they get paid right this week. They should. Because you know what? Because I don't sleep. Because this one is you got paid the other day. Talk about that Wednesday or Thursday when they deposited. That's probably why, like you say, he went over there, right? Remember? Probably wanted some money. She don't give him some. She don't give him some. She told us to give mommy some. Mommy something. Yeah, he told her she gonna give mommy that. She take that and fix it. Yeah, but she got that. No, when I thought about the other day, I should have given that for $5.
I get that. Don't chop it up. Are you kidding me? What a sacrifice. We went around with it. Not alone. Right down. Easier now.
Yeah, I will next time. So you said right there, past used to be Macy's, right? Okay, you talking about what juniors know, right? Back. Okay. Let me see now. Okay, so it's in there. It's further down. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, so it's right on Full Street. Wait a minute. All right, so you're saying it's right on Full Street then? Okay, I know. Yeah, I'll find it. All right, so I'll find it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, mommy don't have much to work. Yeah, when I'm down there, I will. Yeah. I don't like they got that old fuzzy on them, right? Is it just me? Or they might not been fresh, right? Okay, so just the plain yogurt, then you mix it with the plain, right? Yeah, okay. All right, probably start doing that. All right. I know. Yeah, I know just the plain, you add this stuff to it. Yeah, I'm gonna try that out. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Oh, okay. It wasn't like you had a lot in there. Anyway, you had to cook a lot of that shit. You had a lot. Yeah, you had a lot. It's alright. You didn't look like you felt good. I forgot that how you was coming on. Yeah, because that's just like if when I used to stay in them shut-ins, that's how it makes you feel draining and stuff like that all day. Yeah. It's a lot because you need help. You're gonna have to have help and stuff, you know?
There should be no stigma in talking about this. And today she's
For
here
real?
opening up about all of the lessons, the losses, and the fresh starts. And yes, we must talk about the glow up of Miss Ricky Lake. Coming into the studio, I have such a warm feeling about her, her energy, her authenticity, and she's just a great girlfriend. That's why her show is still to this day.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's a lot. You don't have to help. Somebody gonna have to help you out. Yeah. Oh, he was in the kitchen. Really? Well, that's all right. Yeah, I know, but you know what? It's all right. The Lord will bless you because you know you helped him out. For real? Well, Pastor Taylor was happy though, so that's yeah, yeah, because it was good. Yeah, that's why he had you in there because you know everything gonna be good. Really? She didn't give it to him? The one that be wearing that gold, right? The one, that little man that wear that gold? She should do that. Why she do that? She just be messing with him.
my skin. It's not that I don't give an AF, because I do.